Hi there, Cheryl Davey with the Hill and Harbour Real Estate Group. Today, you're going to take a tour of one of my favorite buildings in New Westminster. It's called Palace Quay, and we're in the Fraser View neighborhood here. This building is made up of a series of very large home-style units. So you've got over 1,100 square feet on one floor, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, and this one has been fully renovated. You've got a cozy gas fireplace, views of the Fraser River, and a ground floor patio here that allows you to do all of the gardening you could want. You're gonna love this one, so let's walk around.